Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this outline text effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the background image that I like for creating the text effect. Now, duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+J. Then remove the background by going to Properties and clicking the Remove Background button. Add the text, place it, and change the size as per your preferences. Now duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+J and place the duplicate layer in between two image layers. And then click on the original text layer and reduce the fill to 0. Then add a stroke by clicking on Layer Style icon. Use the stroke options according to your preferences. Now select both text layers by holding the Ctrl key while mouse click on both text layers and then click on the Link Layers icon to link the text layers. You now have this outline text effect, and you can drag and adjust the placement as needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.